So today we are still working on the house. I'm editing and the vlog will be going up. So there's one going up today and then there's also one going up tomorrow. So I'm a little bit late, but I finally got it working. I think one of my memory chip got messed up, so a lot of vlogs on that. Yeah, you're missing out. So that is the problem sometimes when it comes to these things. But yes, I'm going to show you guys what's going on with the stairs because the guys are working on the stairs. So definitely gonna go show you that just now.
I mean, like you don't too far and then it can come up back and you didn't need it. Come here, I'll put in my foot in it and need it. Why, you know? Yeah, why is this man? Advance again, 5 inches. You have a tape? Bet you left it down there.
When I do it for your tape, I film one. Yeah, you left it down here. Stinker. Make sure it's all right there.
You left me tape down there. Oh, 5 inches or so. Let me know how much of it is. Hello, you Papa me cho.
Papa, if you want.
Are you want me to talk one nail night right now?
Don't start nail night.
I am.
No worries.
Babes, what the backside you jam up for? Mom, cho. Where you come from here? You come here for? You come here when you talking?
No, I can't here to help you.
Help me do what?
Oh, then you're talking down there.
No, Shan, no, they give me talking.
Come on, me and I help you run them up.
Right now, come on up.
Shan! Eh? I get trouble down there.
As you come down here.
One trouble, Miss Maisie.
Trouble in here for a long time.
Come, Jenna, come on here, up here.
Me can't top up on some?
Yeah, man.
See.
But if I slide back, nobody now.
Me nah catch him.
Backside.
Stairs.
Boy. Go where rest we go up there. Well, I'm on the street.
Papa, what is steal him?
Area key, you know. Oh, you pop out the steel. See there? And can't go up them there and they come down in it. Yeah, man, go say they don't come down. This is a nice landing. It's so small and just neat and stuff. Because Karin go put your vase right here. So.
No vase now go panny.
What?
No vase now go panny.
No vase your yard.
What you know? What you mean?
What do you know? Because me and Karin already discussed.
Off your yard?
No.
Oh.
But me and Karin already
You just ask me for me yard.
And say it goes. So we run have no talking night. If I get down to no man, not even a couch wouldn't even in the yard. And as I find out the house we decorate. Like you know, there's no man, no woman, a man or one, because
I lie you at it. I lie.
unless you
It's alright.
only that for you and then you see nice.
Asian no man. I can go on business.
Oh no, for decorate, yes, Mario go for decorate, me give that.
I don't know if do that thing.
What do you mean, I don't know if you do a thing? So when we come down now?
We don't come down for. Jump out, just chuck off like. You know when you dive in the water?
Hello.
You just dive off.
Me never dive in the water. Actually, one time I dive in the water and I almost drowned. From that, I learned to not dive. Yeah, so, yeah, so this something go hit your head. Ain't here, so.
Because up the side tread there. Put your foot up there, so.
Yeah, so.
See it here, this one and this one.
No, but your head ain't no okay.
Because me tell you, say, me put it to it. Come down, come down.
Mario! You let me drop.
So no one Japan down here the pass ground. You go, you push me down. Yeah. You make it. Yeah, make it from. Come on, listen to the mash up. Watch him.
after you're supposed to help me to do the chat.
One little nearly man can't.
And when you creep off the back of your hand.
Me I work on construction site we expect. You know them water tough. Come on, you married pan.
No one more than them. Which part to go, which part to go?
You know, we may have a problem with that, something.
Problem with the point who won. Open so. Wait if you join back here.
The top thread, I want to walk one feet.
Okay, so guys, this is where we have reached on the stairs. So he's just tying up the rest of them now. And those ones up there are finished. We're gonna have to go up and show you guys the rest. So this is how far we've reached. But it's getting done. We took a little bit of a break. Maybe about a day or so break. But it's getting done. So he's been working. Alright, Mr. Williams. I say you've been working. Rwanda learn the trade. How you William must run? He said, yeah, learn man.
I don't learn. It's not.
Right banana. Yeah, already.
Oh, I'm skill man. Skill archer.
Alright, I'm married in love him too, and then you can on to the next one. So the building of the stairs. Mirror. You know, look how that it's in fly out.
Fly out, Shann.
I wanna do pull up banana.
Banana.
Wanna get banana?
They start right.
Oh, they're ripe. You want to feel mudded. Alright. Yeah. You tell her inside.
Just there's some water now.
You tell her inside, you know, but you didn't tell her which
You want the
inside.
light? Hey, you know, man, you want the light?
Me say you tell her inside, but you didn't tell her which inside. You probably gonna play with ties.
Gonna Risa. You find Risa.
Yeah.
Agree, you say yes.
You never say yes.
I
Me never say no.
Yes.
Where you go picky?
Me just say okay. Come here, go back.
You go picky?
Banana.
What the machine make you want cutting? No. You want rotten bird eat them? You look at them, they're not in the one thing. Rotten bird eat them.
Rotten bird. Can't find it again. Can't find the hole.
You say funny?
Not too bad. No, spanner.
You say you can tell them a job and a run job. You see how in holy hammer?
Board soft, man. Going easy.
You could have tell him Marissa if you bring down the toys down here now. Hey, toys. Right, you want to play with. That's why I'm going up there. And Marissa come down with him.
You want them listen to me, I'll have to tell me.
Yeah. Why you don't like about Dolly, so? Ain't what Dolly do?
Yeah?
Eh?
You don't play Dolly, man. Find something else to play with, about Dolly.
A girl.
I don't care. Don't be used to do with Joseph Dolly them. They broke off their hand and their foot. I threw a piece.
Busted in here, you know. Get catch. That's why I could never find them. Boy.
Yeah, licking finger.
So there is where they reach so far. Yes guys, the night's always in the bag. So it is a work
Everything on the front.
in progress. Kasi guys, so I am upstairs and they are in the upstairs spot now. That is what is taking place. Downstairs is going to be sealed off. Whoa! You guys just see that? Oh.
Too much jealousy. You can't catch one about your try. Wow. Expert.
They say I just need to go with him for a few more sites.
So when you throw any mixture, no, it's just gonna run. So.
So your food come up and stop there, sir?
Well,
And then wait till that dry and then do this one?
You're not gonna make it too water.
yeah, but maybe
Too
you
fast.
go run and then you full up to the height where it's something there.
Okay. These are true.
How far they reach. Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Right, so we're almost at the landing, as you can see, right there. Okay, so we reach the landing now. Yeah. Some days when the stress hits you of building your house, you're gonna look like that. Oh gosh. Not true, Karin? Yeah. I say some days when you're building your house and you start stressing they're gonna look like you. You're all mad out and things. Even though it's stressful building a house because it costs a whole lot of money, guys, but it's very much rewarding. And more stressful when you have a vision for yourself and the vision is not going how you want it to go, but when it's going good, yeah, it sets up right. So Mr. Perfection here is, well, I have to be Mr. Perfection. Make sure I make smoothing out the stairs nice and proper. I wonder, there's this thing, you know, I was wondering if they have it if it reached Jamaica yet. I don't know if it come down here. There's a thing that you can use on your concrete instead of using flooring.
Can't catch.
If me can't catch. Where that you give me?
You know what?
I don't feel hungry. I want to eat it. Pardon? And it's something that I seen. It's called, I don't know if is it called Pixie or something, but it's where they throw like a chemical on the floor, like instead of using tile, but it looks so nice. It looks like tile or marble. I would have loved to use that. I would do that with my floor. But me don't know if this stuff them like to do it reach Jamaica. I think that would be great on the stairs because you wouldn't even have to put nothing on it. As long as it's smooth the way it is, you just get the stuff them and you design it. You got that nice smooth finish. Alright, so he has reached the top. Yes.
Eh? Where is it?
Tap.
Me not take it from level, but boy, say go.
Fix that one down there. So just gotta fix down there. Okay guys, so as you see, the stairs is finished. It is complete. It just needs to dry. So yeah, job well done. I will show you guys it tomorrow when its lighting is better.
A lot of rough fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.